everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is Craftship Wonders. So guys, reading books is one of the best hobbies. Using awesome book supplies will engage us more in reading books. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ideas to make your own bookmarks. So before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move into the video. Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you 5 ideas of making your own bookmarks. I have chosen the theme space, that is, I am going to design my own bookmarks in the form of space objects. So let's get started. So guys, first we have to do the base for the bookmark. For making the base, we need a square shaped chart paper. Here I have taken the purple colored chart paper. Since my theme is space, purple will be the better background. So guys, now let me show you how to do the base. First, we have to fold this piece in diagonally half. Now place this triangle so that the bottom of the triangle is at the bottom. Then fold the upper part of the triangle downwards. Now fold these two parts in this direction. Now fold these two upper parts inside this area. And now this is the base of our bookmark. So guys, now I already made all the other remaining 4 bookmark bases. Just I made these 2 bases in dark blue color. Now we are going to design all these 5 bookmarks. So guys, now I am going to design my first bookmark in the form of alien. I have already cut the structure of alien in green color chart. Now I am going to give this alien an outline using black color marker and add some features like eyes and mouth. So guys, now I added all the features of this alien and now I am going to paste this alien in our bookmark. Just I am going to apply some glue in the back side of alien and I am going to paste this above the bookmark. And now our alien bookmark is ready. So guys, now for the second bookmark, I am going to design it in the form of planet Saturn. I have already cut the circle and ring for Saturn in yellow color and orange color chart paper. Now I am going to paste this circle inside its ring and I am going to paste this Saturn above the bookmark. Now I am going to apply some glue in backside of the Saturn and I am going to paste it above this bookmark. And now Saturn bookmark is ready. So guys, for the third bookmark, I am going to design it in the form of meteors. For the outer flame, I have cut it from the red color chart. For the inner flame, I have cut it from yellow color chart, and for the asteroid, I cut it from brown color chart. Now I am going to add some details in this asteroid and I am going to paste all together in the bookmark. Now I am going to apply some glue in this area and I am going to paste this meteor above the bookmark. And now our meteor bookmark is ready. So guys, for the fourth bookmark, I am going to design it in the form of spaceship. These are all the pieces that are required to form the spaceship. I am going to just add few details in the spaceship and I am going to stick together on the bookmark. Now I am going to apply glue in the back side of the spaceship and I am going to paste it in the bookmark. And now our spaceship bookmark is ready. So guys, for the fifth bookmark, I am going to design it in the form of astronaut. I have cut the shape of astronaut in white color chart already. Now I am going to add some features for this astronaut and I am going to paste it above this bookmark. So guys, now I added all the features for this astronaut and now I am going to apply some glue in back side of the astronaut. I am going to stick it above the bookmark. So guys, now finished making all the 5 bookmarks. First we made this cool alien bookmark, next Saturn, next the meteor, fourth spaceship, and the last but not the least astronaut. All these 5 bookmarks look super duper cool. I am very happy about it, and now all the 5 bookmarks are ready.
So guys, finally we made all our bookmarks. Now let's go and take a look at it. These bookmarks look amazing. Not only space, we can even design our bookmarks in various themes such as fruits, cartoons, animals, and so many. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next amazing video guys.